What is going on, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back. In this video, I have all the accessories laid out, and I took all the dead cats and everything off all the DJI mics, and I wanted to touch a little bit more on the Hollyland Lark Max 2 Ultimate Bundle, or Ultimate Edition, and the Rode Wireless Pro. Which both equally come with a crap ton of accessories in their kits. So we have the Hollyland right here. It comes with two transmitters, the digital receiver. It comes with a USB-C receiver as well, that you can hook both of the transmitters to, which is what these two little light lines are for. It comes with two lavalier mics with foam covers, as well as it comes with the black dead cat covers. It comes with USB-C to 3.5 millimeter audio jack adapters. It comes with the dead cat specifically for the transmitters as well. It also comes with some magnets and a few other things. So this is just a standardized clip. As you can see, it's a standardized clip, and these clips actually rotate like so to make it easier. These are the sleeves. So these little rubber pieces right here are sleeves with magnets in them. And then you also get standardized magnets that you can slide the sleeves on these guys. Comes with a short TRS to TRS cable with 90 degrees, as well as a long TRS to TRS cable with 90 degrees. Comes with USB-C to USB-C cable. And then you also have these earpieces, these earbuds. These are for listening while you're talking. So these are a little monitoring set. The charge case for both, charge case for the buds, as well as the charge case for the main transmitters and receiver. And this nice fabric bag. It's kind of like a what I'm trying to think of. It's not denim. Carhartt material is what I'm trying to think of. I can't remember the name of it at the moment, but the Rode Wireless Pro here comes with two cases. So you have this case that comes with all the accessories. Then you have this case that actually is a charge case. And these dock on their side. So this is one of the transmitters. You get two lavalier microphones with the locking 3.5 millimeter plugs. You get the foam dead cats brackets, clip-on brackets, as well as an extra set of brass screws. You get a USB-C to USB-C cable, quite thick cable. You get this little cleaning cloth as well. You get two metal bracket clips. These guys right here, these are actually metal bracket clips that go on the back of the main clips, and then you have these two rubberized magnets. You get a pretty long TRS to TRS cable, and you get a short USB-C to USB-C cable. And then you get a USB-C to Lightning cable. And then you get 2 large dead cats. These guys right here. For the lavalier mics, you get 2 dead cats for the main transmitters. And then this is an extra dead cat that they give you. And then you get the charge case and the carry case. And then kind of just showing the accessories. Some of these DJI accessories over here did not come with these units. I actually bought them from DJI OEM parts, but I decided to take everything out that I did not do in the previous video that was physically in these 2 cases here. And I took the dead cats off of the units so you can actually see the units a lot better. So this is the DJI Mic Mini, this is the DJI Mic 3, DJI Mic 2, and then the original DJI Mic. Original DJI Mic came with a cloth bag, and I put it in a DJI Mic 2 bag, which is the DJI OEM parts section of this video. So I have 3 of these bags. This one's original, DJI Mic 2, it's original. But these 2 I bought from DJI OEM parts. And you can see that the DJI Mic Minis versus the DJI Mic 3s are a little bit smaller than the DJI Mic 3s. This right here is a hot shoe accessory. This one as well. This one's for the DJI Mic 2, and how you can tell is it folds. This one right here will work on the DJI Mic 3, and the DJI Mic Mini. These split cables, the USB-A to dual USB-C, these I specifically got from DJI OEM parts, so you can charge both of these transmitters without having the charge case. And then this is an extra TRS to TRS cable I purchased. That this is actually a Mic Mini, DJI Mic Mini charge audio cable. And then I'm showing all the little USB-C and Lightning adapters that you actually put in the case. And then this one comes with the DJI Mic 3. It's got the thread-on style that none of the other ones do. So this one is for the DJI Mic 2. And then this one is the straight one is for the DJI Mic. And then I also put the magnets and everything out here as well. So magnets, the adapters, these 2 adapters here for the DJI Mic 2, they're magnets, charge cable. These lavalier mics I bought separately. They are DJI lavalier mics, but I just wanted to give kind of a fuller picture. This bag actually is a DJI Mic Mini bag that came with the DJI Mic 3 system, and I kind of took all the accessories and put them in this DJI Mic 2 bag. And then, you know, here's the DJI Mic Mini, and there's the Perspective DJI Mic Mini bag. Why DJI made a unique bag for the original unit, the DJI Mic unit, made an upgraded bag for the Mic 2, and then randomly decided to use the DJI Mic Mini pouch, carry pouch, for the DJI Mic 3. I don't know. They should have just made a dedicated DJI Mic 3 bag, but they didn't. But this is just a quick little video. Wanted to show a little bit more detail. So here are the adapters. Previous video, I don't think I showed this adapter because I actually couldn't find it. It was actually in this bag, and I searched that bag on that video, but I didn't search hard enough, obviously. But I have a lot of experience with the DJI Mic and the DJI Mic 2. I've been using the DJI Mic for years. The DJI Mic 2 I've been using for I don't know, 7-8 months now. The DJI Mic 3 and the Mini I want to experiment with soon on some YouTube videos for you guys. If you guys want to see all of these in an audio clip, one YouTube video showing all of these and how they sound in one video, you guys let me know. I hope the information's helpful. If you guys are looking for a mic system,